Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customer subscriptions from Stripe billing to Chargify step by step clearly. To transfer customer subscriptions from Stripe billing to Chargify, begin by exporting your log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the Customers section in the dashboard. Select the customers you want to transfer. Click on the Export button to download the customer list in CSV format. Next, export subscription details for those customers. Go to the Subscriptions section in your Stripe dashboard. Filter the subscriptions related to the exported customers. Export these subscription details as a separate CSV file. Now, log in to your Chargify account. Make sure you have created the necessary products in Chargify that correspond to your Stripe subscriptions. Open the CSV files you exported from Stripe. Review the data to ensure accuracy. Create a mapping for the customer data fields and subscription plans between Stripe and Chargify. Using the data mapping, format the customer CSV file according to Chargify's required upload format. Repeat this process for the subscription CSV file. Once both files are properly formatted, import the customer CSV into Chargify. Navigate to the Customers section of your Chargify dashboard. Use the import feature to upload your customers. Wait for the import process to complete and check for any errors. Next, import the subscription data. Go to the Subscriptions section in Chargify. Upload the corresponding subscription CSV file. Check for any discrepancies and fix any errors indicated during the import. After successful imports, verify that all customer subscriptions are correctly displayed in Chargify. Finally, notify your customers of the transition to Chargify. Confirm that any necessary payment updates have been communicated to customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.